Wind is definitely picked up. There's usually two swans. Where's the other one? I can hear him. He's calling her.